Now, we have seen what is a democracy, how does democracy accommodate the diversity. We are going to justify that one, or we are trying to find out a solution. How does democracy try to find out or accommodate the diversity? Now, when we discuss about the social discrimination, the social discrimination is not just based of accident by your birth, which is also to be supported by certain factors. Let us find out what are those factors. Let us take overlapping and cross-cutting. When certain things overlap each other, that becomes binded together. Certain things cut cross each other. So what are the certain things? What are the things that are happening, or what are the things that are going in hand to hand to have the social differences, the divisions? The first major social division what we need is by birth. We all know that. In order to get this done as a social division or a social aspect, it needs certain other aspect support. What are the certain aspect support is like, let us take an example in US. In the United States, we have blacks. These blacks may be having social discrimination because not that they are only blacks, they also don't enjoy economic privileges. They may be poor. So this financial status or the economic status enables them to face certain kind of social discrimination, because not only by their birth but also supported by their economic situation. Like for example, if a black owns a car, he would not ending up finding difficulty in getting into the bus and not finding any place for him to sit until and unless the white person has to sit. If he owns his own car, he would like to travel in his own car, which would be ending up to me having a most comfortable life. But the actual problem ends up with when the situations are also supported by certain other factors. The certain other factors only play a vital role to match to the actual happening of the social diversity. So the thing is, when the US people, we talk about the blacks, if they are financially weak, they would be having a history of facing the social discrimination. So this is the key point we have to understand here. US may be a rich country. The blacks are born and brought up in US. But if they are financially weak, if you ask them or if you touch them, you get the knowledge that they are facing the social discrimination. In the same way, let us take in India. Dalits. The Dalits or the lower caste people, the Harijan society also is, as per the caste calculations, it is the lowest caste. But financially, if you look at them, we also find the same situation similar to that of the Negro people in United States, where they also ending up having no lands. So when they have no land, they become the agricultural laborers or turning themselves into bonded laborers. So these all also clearly reveals for us the fact that there is certain other aspect which is crisscrossing over the existing aspect and prove them to be that they are having certain problems. So this social division is also supported by certain other aspects. Let us take in Ireland, especially in the northern part. Most of the people in Ireland believe in the religion of Christianity. So when we talk about Christianity, we have two major divisions in Christianity, that is Catholics, Protestants. So the Catholics and the Protestants are the two major divisions of Christianity. In Ireland, we have the feeling that Catholics are not so rich. So obviously they are having a social diversity there between themselves. The Catholics might have experienced social discrimination, might have faced the certain difficulties in order to lead their life. they are not basically economically so strong to pursue their careers, to have a good opportunities, whereas the Protestants are having a good chances or sources of revenue for their parents, which obviously provides for them a good quality of education, which will be ending up for them to turning into a good entrepreneur or a job owner or pursuing a good careers. So in this way, wherever we find certain things, that is the overlapping and the cut crossing of the existing things, which will be adding it for flavor for them. For example, if a river flow is going on, when we find rains, the rain water brings the rivers to be full of flow. That is actually the rainwater collected because of the rain was also being allowed to get connected into the rivers. So as the water flow is going on, means as the social divisions are going on, this also gets boosted up with the economic or certain other aspects, which allows them to overlap over each other and crisscross each other, which makes them to flow in certain aspects, which makes it clear to be dominant in the society. So the point is very clear here. The existing social divisions, let us take it to be a river. The river is being supported or boosted up by the rainwater. The rainwater gets added to it. While it's adding it over them, it is overlapping the feeling of existing social division because of the social or economic factor. And certain times the caste or the racial system overlaps this side and the other side. Whatever it is, they are cut crossing each other, but they are making the differences, the social divisions clear and stable in the society. That's what we have understood from this particular point of overlapping and cross-cutting each other. It's a base for the social divisions in any society.
If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel to get more videos on CBSE syllabus.